Hello everybody and welcome to another Minecraft video. I'm going to do Skyblock. As you know, Skyblock is a lot of time. Last time I forgot to put 2 cobblestone in the chest, so when I opened it today I fell and died and I lost those 2 cobblestone. But what matters? Those are only 2 and you have infinite times of cobblestone, so yeah. What? So let's just go and check that out. If you didn't see the last video, I should be having a link to in the description. And yeah, that burning lava. I don't have my current. I don't have my iPad mini with me, so I don't know what the challenge is. But I guess I'm doing all the farms that are in those chests. Should be getting it after a while. And if you didn't see the last video, and if you saw it, oh no, try to swim in lava. Wait. Pickaxe is the most thing that we want. Cobblestone burned or fell. So, I almost saved my life back then. This. That burning lava. This is so lagging. By the way, I'm in the server, so yeah, that's why it's not in. Go like this. Weird. And by the way, if you wanna play with me, I play on SMS. As you can see, SMS. This is a server called smsncraft.net or .com. I'm not sure. If you want to play with me, if you want to play with me on PSN, then my PSN, I'm not sure. My PSN is Yashana, and it's gonna be in the link description. Everything. Part 1 is even gonna be in the description. Once that it has been uploaded. If we go to the internet right now, you're gonna find that I'm playing. That's why it's lagging, by the way. I'm playing while the video is uploading. Let's /work show work this example /work home. Work /work. I guess let's teleport to that. This should be cooler than anything else. By the way, the video cuts because I don't have the full version of my screen recorder, so like the 10 minutes, the last thing can I do is 10 minutes but it's actually cutting the things last of the video. Why? It's just because I put intros then from the editor, and that's the same thing. So and once I be a little bit famous, like 100 subscribers or something like that, I should get a HD PVR. Oh, this just broke. Why? I think this Captain Lives. Are you Captain Sparkle? Captain Lives. So let's just get blocks. Okay, go like this. And if you, yeah. So this is the premium Minecraft post. And by the way, if you didn't know, this is 1.5.2. As I said in the last video, or it might be what? Chest. You only get one of sapling, and you can even. So now you have one cobblestone. Why do I have a sign? Oh, there's the wood. Why do you have cobblestone? Where's my last example? Oh no. Sky. That's a big drop. So yeah, and that should be good with separate thing. And if you want to know what's my screen recorder, by the way, it's not Final Cut Pro 7. As you see, it's actually what do I do? Is Microsoft, because I have a Windows 7. I get a Microsoft. So I have Microsoft something. Then so yeah, that's my screen recorder, by the way, if you ever want to know. We need actually wood, so yeah. Even it's wood, so like planks, so we put a furnace when we get one. So grow. It doesn't go at night. That's why I want to put torches next to it. That's why I want charcoal from oak. Yeah. For something I'm not gonna cheat, but I still heard something. Go to game mode to 1. It's gonna work. Then I only works in creative. If you don't know creative, this has creative, and you just play and stuff. And leave down in the comments if you want creative, if you want to see creative stuff. Yeah. Whoa, that's a long jump. Let's just jump and see how many meters I have. Whoa. 1 billion of cobblestone, and this wooden pickaxe breaks in seconds. However,